Introduction. Welcome to our instructional video on solving algebraic equations. In this video, we will be solving the equation 2 times x plus 9 equals 15. By the end of this video, you will understand the steps and techniques needed to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. So let's get started. Let's start by looking at the equation we want to solve. We have the equation 2x plus 9 equals 15. Our goal is to find the value of x that makes this equation true. Step 1. Isolate the term with the variable. First, we need to move all the numbers without the variable to one side of the equation. Right now, the equation is 2x plus 9 equals 15. The number 9 is being added to 2x. To move the 9 to the other side of the equation, we will subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. When we subtract 9 from 2x plus 9, the 9 cancels out, leaving us with 2x on the left side. On the right side, we subtract 9 from 15, so 15 minus 9 equals 6. Now the equation looks like this: 2x equals 6. In summary, we altered the original equation by subtracting 9 from both sides, which helps us isolate the term that contains the variable x. Step 2. Solve for the variable. Now that we have simplified the equation to 2x equals 6, we need to isolate x to find its value. Currently, the equation tells us that 2 times x is equal to 6. To isolate x, we need to undo the multiplication by 2. We do this by dividing both sides of the equation by 2. When we divide 2x by 2, the 2 cancels out, leaving us with just x on the left side. On the right side, we need to divide 6 by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now we have x equals 3. In summary, by dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we isolated x and found that x equals 3. This is the final step. The value of x that makes the equation true is 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.